Hello, Body Fangs, walk through the bush. Guys, you're probably wondering by yourself, Very, what the bloody? What is you doing here by the bushes there? Guys, if you want to see the big, great and dangerous animals, you got to become one with nature. One, not two. Not two, one. Yeah. However, be bloody careful, okay? Because when you walk through the bushes over here, okay, and you're on your pens over there, there's a little animal that lives in the grass, okay? It's called a bosluis, a bush lice. It looks like a little crab, a scratch, no, a crab, but it are tiny, okay? And when you're on your pens here in between the grass, it climbs up your broekspyp there and it bites you by the peanuts. Tweaking berries are gat there, man. You feel nar, okay? You want to shoot chunkies all over the place. You get the cops, you get spite poop all over the place there. But I'm going to give you a trick to get rid of them, okay? As soon as you're standing cold gat in the shower over there and you find it, you need to take a little bottle of Vicks with you, okay? Vicks Viper Rub. Now you rub it around the area where this little goggetjie chowed you, okay? And what happens are, the Vicks are so bloody vaporous, okay? It burns its eyes and it has to let go of its hands there to wipe its eyes and then it falls off. Just don't get it on your slurpee, okay? Muggie. Yeah, because that's not lekker. Okay, thanks.